grab your planner or planners and the stationery you need. Let's plan for the month of July 2023. Please welcome to my channel, The Productive Girl. Thank you for planning your July month along with me. So let's get started. As you guys know, I use multiple planners. So these two are like monthly. This is daily planner that I use whenever I feel like on a daily basis for like setting myself up for success and manifestation and all that stuff. So if you want to know how I use this planner, let me know by giving this video a big like. Okay, let's start with the regular planning. So this is the Factor Notes planner which I use as my personal planner, and I really like the design. It's already 6 months over and the planner really looks good, sturdy and of good quality. So I really like it. As usual, I will link the planners that I use in the description box for you guys. So it's just my goals page and my beautiful vision board. This is how the July cover page looks like. It says cheers July, cheers. And here we have a quote which says, life is short, do that thing you always wanted to do. Yes guys, life is short, do that thing, start that thing, try that thing, dream your dreams. Next we have the calendar page in which you can just jot down your appointments, events and everything for the month of July. I'm just going to mark few. So this is the usual pouch that I use. I will link this beautiful pencil pouch, pencil case in the description. You can check it out. And also what's in my pencil case will be on the screen right now, popping. You can watch it later on after watching this video. So nothing much of sort in the month of July apart from work. Anyhow, that's about it. Then we have budget plan. Here we can jot down our income, expenses. So it's important to keep in check with our finances. I just use it like in a rough way, not too detailed. And then we have meal plan, just doesn't work for me. So I'm just going to write down few shopping lists. I want to buy a body wash. Yes, I want to buy an Audible book because I will be having one credit. I have to think what book to buy because Audible books are like, I want to get books that I can't read from like a physical book, or if a book will be quite good to listen to, then I want to get it on Audible and not get like a physical copy of it. So let's see, I do want to get a few grocery. That's it. Next we have mood tracker. So in the Factor Notes planner, each and every month we have different patterns of mood tracker which we can color. So it's a coloring mood tracker. And it's really good to use it at the end of the day, at night, every day, to color at that one particular element. So below we have the different emotions, feelings or mood: cheerful, peaceful, okayish, furious, confused and low. So that's great. And below to the mood tracker, we have this habit that we can track. So I'm going to write wake up and sleep early because that's what I'm focusing on right now. Next is the affirmations for the month, goals for the month, things to focus on and distractions to avoid. Before moving on to this goal setting part of July, I want to like reflect on the June month goals. So let's reflect on that. So I'm just going to my June month goal page. So my first goal is finish 12-week yearbook. I did completed that book. I listened to it on Audible. It's quite easy to listen to. It has like two parts. First part is like theory basis and the second part is how we have to implement it. And I really liked the book 12-week year. I learned a lot of things and it immediately motivated and inspired me to start having my own 12-week year. And guess what, I already started. If you're watching this video, I might have in the first week of my 12-week year. So it's really cool, and also it's easy to listen to on Audible. You know, you can play around with the playback speed and everything, because to be honest, some parts are quite repetitive in the book, so it's quite easy to use the playback speed and listen to it on 1.5x or 2x with the repetitive parts. And what I want to listen to on more, I can like listen to on a normal speed, so that's kind of convenient. Also, I have a special link for you guys with which you can get 2 months of Audible Premium for absolutely free. I will provide the link in the description. Do check it out. So you can use Audible Premium 2 months for free. You will be getting 1 credit a month. You can use that 1 credit to get any book irrespective of the cost of that book, like a physical copy. You can get any book for that 1 credit and listen to. And if you are thinking about the book that I talked about, 12-week year, if you want, you can definitely read it. It's really good if you're into planning, goal setting, and how to be productive in general and get more done in less time, because we are not thinking about 12 months as a year. In this book, we are thinking about 12 weeks as 1 year, so that we can get accomplished more in less time. That's why I'm trying it to know if it exactly works. So my next goal is to reach 2000 subscribers on YouTube. Wow, we did that. Thank you so much guys for subscribing if you're new here. Lots of love for anyone who's with me on this journey from the beginning. And my next goal is the views goal of our channel, and that is also I did. That's great. And next goal is 1 YouTube video per week, which didn't happen. I think I missed 1 week and it's okay. Next is wake up and sleep early, which it just depends. Few days I'm like waking up early, few days it's not going in the way that I want it to be. Anyways, now that we have reflected and reviewed our past month, June month goals, now we can set fresh new goals for the month of July 2023. So the first section is the affirmations, and I'm going to pull up a card from this Universe Speaks to Me card, which I usually do. It's like some sort of guidance. I'm curious what I would get for the month of July. It's not like for myself, you can also consider it for you guys as well, what universe is telling to all of us. Okay, I'm drawn to pick this card. Okay, let's turn it. Kindness is free, sprinkle it everywhere. This is something that I already got, I think. So yes guys, it's time to be kind to ourselves, to others, because it's free. So I'm just going to write that over here, and if I feel some other affirmations to write, I will jot it down later on in this space so that I can get reminded. And next is the goals for the month. Since I completed 12-week year book, now I want to move on to the next book, and the next book I'm currently reading is You Are Badass. Such a motivational, positive, self-love sort of book. I already read the book You're a Badass at Making Money. Too good for money mindset. If you want to change your money mindset, then look nowhere and just get that book. It has so much tips, and still till date I'm practicing the tips that I have learned from that book, like tiny easy steps, but it does works. It does helps to have like a good mindset and a good relationship with money. That's why I badly want to read this book. I read few pages only before, so now I want to fully read this book. So that's my first goal. And the next goal is to follow 12-week year. As I mentioned, I started my 12-week year. It just started in the month of July. It's okay. I think one important thing that I would say about this 12-week year goal setting is that it's making us to think what's more important and help us to gain clarity, because you can't set so many goals in this 12-week year goal setting. Let me know if you guys want 12-week year goal setting video. I would happy to make that, but you can't have so many goals in this 12-week year. You can maximum have only 3 goals. I think it gives us the clarity on what to focus on, what are the goals or areas of life that we need to focus on. I want to follow that and track progress of 12-week year. Another important thing in the 12-week year is tracking the progress, or the thing that mentioned in the book is scorecard. We have to score ourselves, because measurement will really help us to make good decision about our growth and success in our goals. So I do want to track the progress. I think after I read that chapter in this book, I really learned quite the importance of measurement, because I am someone who doesn't measure that much or track the progress. Like I track, but not that much, like not in terms of all of my goals. I just track few things. So I learned that importance, and I want to track that progress. So I'm just writing it here so that I can remember and do it. And my next goal is sleep well and enough, because nowadays my sleep cycle is quite chaotic. I want to change that. Okay, another for the 12-week year. So I want to create a weekly plan for each week of July, because that is also something that's quite important. So if you're into planning, goal setting and stuff, then you can definitely check the 12-week year. I've gained a lot of insights. It's really a good book. You can also listen to it on Audible. As I mentioned, I have a free trial for you guys in the description. And things to focus on, distractions to avoid. I want to focus on my 12-week year, my 3 goals, and I want to focus on one day at a time, because sometimes I think too far and overwhelm myself. Okay, I want to add another goal, which is 3 times a week on YouTube. Yes guys, this goal is because of 12-week year. I just been ambitious and just have that goal, but I don't know, I just want to go with it. That's it, because for the past few months I'm not that consistent on this channel, so I really want to change that. Let's see. And focus on YouTube and also my time management, because my time now is so important for me as I'm going on in this 12-week year. Distractions to avoid, of course, you guys might know already, K-dramas, which is why I'm not watching any new K-dramas for I haven't watched in a while. Last month also I didn't, and this month also I'm just rewatching The Inheritors. So I'm just rewatching it. I'm not watching a new K-drama because I don't want to binge watch and waste my time. And I think it is not like a distraction, but it's like a tip for myself. I want to set boundaries. I think that's it. Okay, next here we have halfway reflection. Hello, hi. You're halfway into 2023. Now is the perfect time to self-evaluate and discover something important from this journey. Go for it. That's great. Goals achieved, goals semi-achieved, skills to improve. If you don't have this particular planner, then you can just answer for these 3 prompts in your journal or planner. What are the goals that you achieved in the last 6 months, semi-achieved, and also skills to improve? So when it comes to YouTube, I think achieving 2000 subscribers is definitely a goal that's achieved for me. It's great. Semi-achieved is monetizing my channel, so I'm halfway through it. So if you like my videos and want to support your girl out to monetizing a channel, you can just watch my videos till the end. If you can, try to interact with the video by liking, sharing, posting a comment. That means a lot to me. Thanks in advance. Next is skills to improve. Okay, I have few skills. When it comes to YouTube, I want to improve editing and filming. I feel like it's a journey. I think there is no like end. Okay, I learned all about editing. There will be something new to learn and execute it along the way. So that's it. How did the last 6 months go? Go through the previous month's mood tracker, habit tracker, etc. Assign colors that reflect your thoughts for each month. Wow, that's cool. I think January was a pretty good month for me. I will do the reflection later on. And this is the weekly section. That's it. Now let's move on to the back where we have the reading list. Okay, this is a reading list, and I'm going to write 12-week year because it is not on the list. Yes, this is a book that I want to read. Like, it is in my future list and also at the back of my mind to read it during the new year. It's a sudden impulse. Once I saw this 12-week year on the Audible Plus, like in the free section, I just went with it, and once I started to listen to it, it just kept me going because I find it motivating and interesting. So that book is done. So in our 12 months 12 books challenge, we have completed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm behind one book, I know. So if I have some free time or if a month goes slow, I may read 2 books in that particular month. That's my plan to catch up with my reading goals. And as I mentioned, I'm not watching any new K-drama, so there's nothing here to jot down. Previously, I rewatched Shooting Stars that I watched till last week, and from July, I wanted to watch Inheritors because I like that K-drama too much, and I just lost my count on how many times I rewatched that K-drama. You know, Korean dramas are my therapy. Okay, we have planned and updated in the Factor Notes planner, and also you guys know I have the positive planner. This is again another amazing planner. This year I don't use as many planners that I used to use in the past, only 2, but I totally like these 2 planners. So this is my vision board. In this planner, this is like a work planner. Since it's like a to-do planner as well, a lot of to-dos, notes and everything is written. That's why I'm not showing this planner that much, but I do use this planner a lot. Actually, this is what I use quite often than this. I'll just show you the future empty week. Look, this is how it looks like if you've not watched my unboxing of this planner. This is a weekly spread. I really like having the whole week in one single page. It helps to easily plan for my brain to look at how things are going to happen in this week, so to rearrange and stuff. So I need to have everything in just one page. So I really like this planner because of that. So I just like it. By the way, it's an undated planner. You can even get this one right now and just start using it immediately. So let's go to July. Okay, I've not written much because I want to show you guys. So I will later on jot down my video ideas in these small boxes, since I've already written my goals in Factor Notes planner. And also I marked the days as one of my goal for this month is to post 3 times a week. The days is just usual. If you're a subscriber from when we had 1000 plus subscribers, then you might already know that I used to post Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 6 p.m. That's the schedule that I want to follow. Since I'm starting it after a little break, I'm getting really tough to get back to schedule, to be consistent, but I'm trying my level best. And it comes to like 13 videos in total for this month, and that's it. I just have to plan. Already 2 more videos done. I think this video I will be posting on the 7th of July, Friday. We have a quote here from Bob Proctor. Change is inevitable, but personal growth is a choice. That's nice. Okay, we do have this 5000 subscriber tracker. Look guys, this is what I mentioned, that I don't track my progress that much. I just stopped at 1.7k. So let's continue. We reached 1.8k, 1.9 and 2000. So milestone 1 is completed in order to get our 5000 subscribers. So that's my yearly goal for this 2023. So if you're watching this so far, then you like my videos, then do consider subscribing. Also, I'm not posting at 6 p.m. I aim to post at 6:30 p.m. Monday, Wednesday and Friday. But let's see, if I can't hit the 6:30 p.m. I do want to post before midnight. For Wednesday, I posted Mango Challenge. It's fun editing that vlog. If you haven't watched that vlog, the vlog is flashing on the screen right now. Do click and watch it. I will see you guys inside that vlog. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Bye bye.